choose one nigga. You in both hoods and shit, my nigga. Either you stay in them niggas hood, nigga, or you can stay in this hood. You can't be in both hoods no more, my nigga. You feel me? So what you gonna do, nigga? You need to go ride too, nigga. Get off the boat, nigga. Hey, get off the boat, huh? Stop the boat, nigga. Hey, stand up, nigga. You gotta swim back, nigga. You want too many hoods, nigga. You gonna stay in that hood or you gonna join this hood? You can't be in both hoods, nigga. Oh, you gonna stay in this hood, nigga? You go for a boat ride back, you can be from the hood. Other than that, though, nigga, it's gonna be beef, nigga. So swim back there, nigga. You wanna keep it cool, swim back to shore, nigga. Swim back to shore, nigga.
Nigga can't swim, nigga can't swim.
I didn't kill him with him, man.
I ain't kill him.
Hey, shut up.
I ain't kill him.
You lucky, nigga. I'm gonna leave you a video, nigga. I'll pop your ass. Hey, fam, nigga, to make this nigga be a boat ride.
Yo, hold up. You ain't gonna be shit. Nope. Let's not be hasty here, niggas. We got a motherfucking Mexican standoff here and shit. Put that motherfucking strap away, Steven Spielberg.
You know what I'm saying? I pull up on this nigga, man. Keep on swimming, nigga. We ain't done. Swim, nigga. Swim, nigga.
Hey, give me a shirt, man.
He cramping up. You're cramping up.
No, I'll put money in my bank. I'll put $2,000 in my bank.
Oh, that's not how you is.
Hey, y'all hear me?
What happened?
That nigga Razor got fucked that nigga, son.
Oh, yeah? Green light on him?
It's true, we gonna murder this nigga.
Yeah, but we gotta, let's go out and get the boy the rest of his, feet down.
We're gonna do that in a minute, yo.
Alright, you gotta rock with a fucking Razor guy then. There's another thing, you gonna have to have rock with us when we start up this other board now.
What?
Oh, you gotta scope out, nigga. Hold up.